Hey, how you doing? Stu Sterling here, and in this short video I want to tell you about how you can make money with niche affiliate sites, kind of like this site that we're looking at right now, and a training program where you can learn how to do all this stuff. Alright, so let me run through first how to make money with niche affiliate websites. So this is a site of mine, driftcam.com. Now, I set this up in 2013, okay? And I worked on it for maybe between 6 and 12 months. I can't remember now. But you can see the last post here that I made on this website was in 2014. Now, at the peak of working on this site, I was making around $400 or $500 a month from this website. I was selling these action cameras, okay, like helmet cameras, sports and action cameras over at Amazon and another affiliate program. Unfortunately, the main affiliate program that I was selling through closed down, and at around the same time, some of the products that I was promoting and I'd written reviews for went out of business. Like, the company went out of business, they stopped making the cameras, so I couldn't sell them anymore. But the surprising thing is, this site still gets traffic and still makes money today. It doesn't make a lot, doesn't make $400 or $500 a month like it used to, but it gets around $10 a month through AdSense, okay? I've got AdSense running on this blog now. I took all the banners off and replaced them with AdSense. Okay, and it's still getting traffic. And it's all traffic that I set up. You know, I did a lot of SEO work on this site. There's a fair bit of content on here. You're free to come and have a look, check out the site. Nothing really special. It's pretty, you know, unless you're really keen on helmet cams, it's a pretty boring site. But it's these kind of sites that can work for you on complete autopilot. Okay, I'll just show you that I'm still getting traffic here. So this is the same site. I just installed Google Site Kit and connected analytics and stuff. Okay, so some days I get 18, some days 19, but traffic has gone down in the last 28 days. So, you know, it's still getting a little bit of traffic. Look, direct traffic, organic search. Alright, so it's still getting traffic, still making a little bit of money. It's paying for itself and a little bit more. So that's good. I haven't touched it in 7 years. Okay. So if you want to make a website like this, little niche website that makes affiliate commissions, I would really like to introduce and present to you affiliateincomemachines.com. Okay, now if you go to the front page of affiliateincomemachines.com, there's nothing here. That's because it hasn't officially launched yet. They are doing a pre-launch at the moment because they have just started up. Okay, they're still, it's kind of a work in progress. I mean, they have a complete members area. Actually, let me log into the members area. So they have set up everything, but they're still working out the systems. Like, they've got some issues with, you know, the membership accounts getting created after purchasing. So they're ironing out some creases, and they're getting stuff built. All right. So they're doing a pre-launch, and the whole idea with affiliate income machines is that it's not a DIY, this is how you do it, this is what you do, instructional videos and PDFs and stuff like this. This is a done with you type of program. Okay, so the guys behind it, James Brown and Damien Martin, they are niche marketing gurus. Maybe they don't like being called gurus, but they are the real deal when it comes to affiliate niche marketing. And they are going to walk you through, they're actually going to do a lot of the beginning setup work for you. okay, to make your own website like this. All right, they're going to get a domain for you. They're going to upload, or I should say install, a WordPress blog on there for you. They're going to give you landing page templates that you can use so you can collect leads and build an email list, and we all know how valuable an email list is. Okay, they're going to help you choose a niche at the very beginning, which is, you know, the main big first important step. Okay, so it's not just here you go, here's some training videos, good luck building your own website. Okay, this is like a community. This is like the teachers, Damien and James, actually coming up to you and saying, hey Stu, what niche do you want to go into? I think these niches are really hot right now. Here's a couple of domains. Which one do you want me to register? They're going to actually register the domain, set it up on hosting, install the site, theme, plugins, give you some done-for-you campaigns. It might not necessarily be for your specific niche. Actually, the done-for-you campaigns, they're just one niche that they choose, and if it's your niche, then you can use it. But you know, they are going to give you pointers personally about how you can create your own campaigns. Okay, so it's really involved. It's not just you by yourself going through, and there's no interaction or anything with the trainers. There's really a lot of interaction. Okay, James, I know personally, he was my coach back when I started in 2006. Okay, I paid him a very reasonable price for his coaching. Since then, his prices have risen immensely since then, 15 years ago. But because we live in Japan and really not too far away, we've caught up a lot of times. We hang out, not so much anymore with the pandemic and stuff, but we used to hang out, you know, every couple of months, used to grab lunch. Now we just chat on Facebook and Messenger and that. We call each other occasionally. But I mean, James, like, his life is internet marketing. This is what he does day in and day out. The guy hardly sleeps, okay? He's passionate about helping people succeed. That's why he's set up the affiliate income machines. So let's go and check out the actual sales page where you can read about the pre-launch opportunity. Okay, so this is a really great headline. I mean, this is a really great sales letter. As you can see, there are no fancy graphics. Just the copy is spot on. It tells you exactly what they're giving you and how you can get it. Okay, so I recommend you watch this video as well when you come to this page. So the opportunity here is, in pre-launch, they are offering a very heavily reduced buy-in price to the membership. Okay, you'll see the price when you scroll down, but basically here, this is what it's all about. We're looking for some select individuals to help us behind the scenes finalize our new program, Affiliate Income Machines. You will not only have access to training workshops and a private Facebook group, but also have direct access to us. We'll hold your hand and help you with all of these things. Okay, this is all the things they're going to do. They're going to help you select the right niche. They're going to find you a domain name and we'll register it. We'll set you up on cloud hosting. Okay, tech support. If you have a problem with a plugin or your site goes haywire because you've stuffed up a setting, okay, they'll fix it for you. No charge, 10 minutes. If it's a 10-minute job, they'll do it for free. Okay, they'll install WordPress. There's a private members area, which is where I was just here before. And this is the first one you want to go to, domain hosting and bonuses. So this is where you want to go. You want to get your domain name and hosting sorted, okay, and a niche selected. this is the whole point. It's not just to show you what to do and everything. It's to actually get you taking action and get something going as soon as possible with this. So come here, become friends with James on Facebook, and he'll set you up with domain name, hosting, and these bonus memberships as well. This monthly content membership, all the PLR and resale rights products you could ever need are in there, okay? And then you want to go through the days, okay? So there's a 7-day, I guess you could say like a quick start guide of all the things you have to do over the 7 days. There's also the Facebook group. This is members only, Affiliate Income Machines members only group. I'm a member. James was kind enough to give me a review membership so I could review this for you, so you could learn about it. But also I'm going to be participating inside of the members group here, and I'm going to be working on bringing back to life, whatever you want to say, resurrecting driftcam.com. Alright, I want to get this site back up to $400, $500, maybe even more, $1,000 a month. And I think I can do it because I've already got a bit of a head start. So sorry, I'm cheating a little bit, but this site already has some standing with Google. Okay, it's already indexed. It already has a pretty good SEO. It just needs some fresh content, some fresh reviews of products, some fresh backlinks, things like that. And this site will be rocking again. So it shouldn't take too much work for it to get earning a few hundred a month again. And I will be showing you updates of what I'm doing and how I'm doing it as well, and you'll be able to see the results. So this is a pretty cool opportunity. I hope you see the value of this opportunity and the potential that lies here in this AIMS membership. So take advantage of the pre-launch, because let's go and have a look. The sales letters here. Okay, there's a yearly membership where you pay once a year. It's $125. Even when they launch publicly and raise the price, you'll still pay only $125 a year for as long as you want to stay in. Or you can get a one-time, lifetime, I know you're not supposed to use the word lifetime anymore, but one-time ongoing membership for as long as the site is around, which I believe will be a long time, because I was chatting with James about this. He said this is going to be his flagship product, like his flagship membership site where he directs all of his students to. Okay, he does do niche stuff on the side, but this is one of his core businesses he's focusing on, and will continue to. He wants to grow this to 1,000 members. Okay, so $250 one time, you become and stay a member forever. Okay, so it's unbelievable value. It's really a no-brainer to be a part of a community who are working together on their own niche little side hustles. So you can be one of them. I invite you to come hang with me, hang with James, and all the other cool people in the AIMS community. Alright, so thanks a lot for watching this video. I hope to see you soon. Go click on the buy button now, choose either the yearly or the one-time option, and I'll be seeing you real soon. Thanks. I'm Stu Sterling. Bye.